Printing iCloud notes isn't as straightforward as it seems. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to print iCloud notes on any device. Part 1. Print iCloud notes directly from iPhone or iPad. Open the Notes app and select the note you want to print. Tap the share icon in the top right corner, then choose Print. Select a printer on the same Wi-Fi network, adjust print settings if needed, and tap Print to start. Part 2. Print notes from iCloud on Mac. Open the Notes app on your Mac and select the note. Click File in the menu bar, then choose Print. Adjust print settings if needed, and click Print to start. Part 3. Print iCloud notes from iCloud.com on PC or Mac. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Open Notes and select the note you want. Copy it to Word if you need formatting. Then press Ctrl+P Windows or Command+P Mac to print. Part 4. Print notes from iCloud with Doctor for iOS. Mobican Doctor for iOS is a powerful data recovery and extraction tool that allows you to retrieve lost or deleted files from iPhones, iPads, or iPods. In addition to restoring lost data, it can extract specific content from iCloud backups. Step 1. Download and install Mobican Doctor for iOS. Start by downloading and installing the software on your computer. Launch the program and select Recover from iCloud. Step 2. Sign into iCloud and select the backup. Sign in with your Apple ID, and on the next window, choose the Notes and Note Attachments folders and click Next to proceed. Step 3. Preview and extract notes. All scanned out notes in your iCloud backup will be available for recovery. Preview the notes, select those you want to print, and then click Recover to Computer to extract them to your computer in HTML or text format. Step 4. Print the notes. Once the notes are saved to your computer, open them with a suitable application, like a browser, and use the print function to print your notes. Part 5. Other methods to print from iCloud notes. Method 1. Export as PDF. Open the note, export it as a PDF, save it, then print. Method 2. Copy to Pages Word. Copy the note, paste it into Pages or Word, adjust formatting, and print. Method 3. Email and print. Paste the note into an email, send it to yourself, then open and print. Method 4. Screenshot and print. Take a screenshot of the note, save it, and print the image.